Berlin is the largest city and capital of Germany. It is well known for its festivals, diverse architecture, nightlife, and contemporary arts. Since Berlin is an increasingly popular tourist destination, let's explore some of the must-do spots. This cathedral has a 75-meter-high dome, and it is the largest in Berlin. It is divided into 3 sections and is a lucky survivor of the Battle of Berlin. It has finally been returned to its former glory after decades of work to repair war damage. This is one of Berlin's largest squares. It plays host to many public events throughout the year and is home to Berlin's famous Christmas market. Checkpoint Charlie was the most well-known crossing points between East and West Berlin during the times of the Berlin Wall before it came down in 1989. Around Checkpoint Charlie, you can still find pieces of the wall now covered in graffiti. Museum Island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here you'll find many of the city's oldest and most important museums. It is located between the River Spree and the Kupfergraben. The Reichstag was originally completed in 1894 and served as the home of the German Empire's imperial diet until it burned down in 1933. It underwent a 10-year reconstruction and finally became the home of the German parliament in 1999. There is a rooftop restaurant offering great views of the city, but it is recommended that reservations be made in advance. The Brandenburg Gate was commissioned in 1788 and now represents unity and peace. It has become the most famous historic landmark in Berlin and is located just 1 block from the Reichstag. Up next, we're going to walk around parts of Berlin so you guys can see what it's like there day to day. If you guys like these videos, please give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Much appreciated.